Breaking now. This is Shankar from Global Intelligence Network. The battlefield is expanding beyond military bases into economic infrastructure. Iran's Revolutionary Guard has claimed responsibility for strikes targeting major industrial facilities in the Gulf, including Aluminium Bahrain Emirates Global Aluminium EGA in Abu Dhabi. According to reports, 2 workers were injured in Bahrain. Significant damage reported at the UAE facility. These are not symbolic targets. They are critical to regional industry and supply chains. This marks a shift from military confrontation to economic warfare. Iran has framed these attacks as retaliation for earlier strikes on its own industrial infrastructure, which signals one thing clearly. The conflict is now entering a cycle of reciprocal targeting. The reaction has been immediate. Gulf nations have strongly condemned the attacks, emphasizing their right to defend critical infrastructure and warning against further escalation. At the same time, global markets are reacting to instability. Energy routes are under increased scrutiny, and diplomatic channels are becoming more urgent. Against this backdrop, the United States continues to evaluate its response. Ground operations targeting strategic oil hubs, expanded airstrikes, or containment through naval and economic pressure. Alongside this, a diplomatic track remains open but fragile, targeting industrial infrastructure. Raises the stakes significantly because this is no longer just about military capacity, it is about economic stability, supply chain resilience, and civilian impact. And here is the deeper shift. Wars are no longer confined to soldiers and borders. They now extend into factories, energy systems, and global markets. We often believe intelligence is our greatest strength, but intelligence without balance becomes precision without purpose. Today, we are using intelligence to expand the reach of conflict, not limit it. And when intelligence is used to disrupt systems that sustain life, it does not demonstrate power, it reveals imbalance. This conflict is evolving from military confrontation to systemic disruption, and as economic targets enter the battlefield, the consequences become wider and harder to contain. In today's world, the most dangerous wars are not always the loudest, but the ones that spread silently through systems. This is Shankar from Global Intelligence Network. Stay informed and stay aware.